In this video I'm going to show you how to install apps without Apple ID password on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So simply at first open your App Store. Go to apps section, and when I press on this option, so you need to just enter your email address and password, then you can download these apps. So I'm provide how can easily turn off this option. So simply at first open your settings and press on to Apple ID name. Press on this option, showing it to 4 different way. I'm just press on password settings. So as you can see, showing it to this option, and I'm just select and turn off. Click on right mark. Okay, now successfully set up, and let's try to download any apps. Press on and click on to get. So as you can see, no need to enter my password, just press on to install. Now it's installing. So that's it.